Good afternoon. I hope you are taking good care of yourself in these tough times. My name is Sandeep Kapoor. I'm working as Director of Marketing with Keysight Technologies. Friends, globally we are going through extremely tough times. We know this is a real challenging time, and hopefully we'll be out of these testing times very soon, and we'll be ready to welcome the dawn of a new era. But once again, in these times, innovation is our biggest strength. It will continue to be our biggest strength, and this will enable us in making amazing things taking forward. And of course, the revolutionary and evolutionary journey of electrical vehicles is outcome of the ongoing voyage of innovation. Historically, the fossil fuels and the mobility, they have always been linked with each other in a very tight manner. However, over the last few years, a collection of circumstances, the global circumstances, environmental circumstances, they have created an opening for electrical mobility for the mass markets. Some of these focus areas are like climatic changes, rapid urbanization, advances in renewable energy, advances in battery technology. So all these things, they are really giving a big boom to the electrical vehicles. And this set of dynamics is accelerating the merger of automotive and energy markets at a very fast pace. E-mobility has enabled the providers of alternate energy to expand their business to individual mobility. And we'll get to see more details about these things in the next slides. Now let's talk about the key enablers, key drivers, and the key challenge which we are facing in the field of electrical vehicles. So first of all, let's talk about the biggest enabler. So for sure, batteries are the critical enabling factor for electrical vehicles. So we are definitely looking for lower cost per kilowatt hour. And we are also looking at drawing the maximum energy, maximum power from the single battery unit. And coming towards the end of the life cycle, recycling is also very important because disposal of all these used batteries is also very critical. Then let's talk about the real driver. The biggest driver is the clean energy. We are looking for emission-free mobility. And this is something which is very, very important from environmental perspective. Pollution is continuously increasing, and this is causing a lot of challenges. So this is one of the big drivers. And briefly talking about one of the biggest challenge. So charging infrastructure is a real big challenge. What is happening globally? We are not having any homogeneous standard of charging infrastructure, and different countries, different economies, different geographies, they are having their own set of charging infrastructure. And it's very important that we bring some sort of homogeneity or some sort of co-working for all these standards. So let's have a look at the EV ecosystem. Starting from the left, we are having energy infrastructure. So you can see various elements of energy infrastructure. Moving towards the right, it's a charging infrastructure. And then further moving towards the right, it's a powertrain infrastructure, which is essentially sitting inside the vehicle. So powertrain is very, very critical. It has got the battery pack, it has got the DC converters, it has got inverters. So essentially this is the core, or this is a complete heart of the electrical vehicles. And again, power packs or all the batteries which are there, they have got their own infrastructure for development and production facilities. One thing is very important. For making this electrical vehicle thing reality, we'll be needing an investment of around $300 billion in the next decade. So there is a lot of investment required in all these e-mobility platforms for making this a viable reality. In the next few slides, we'll be talking about the challenges and technical aspects for each of these building blocks which are making on the complete electrical vehicle ecosystem. So first of all, let's talk about the challenges which we'll be facing for the grid side. The most important challenge is how do we maximize efficiency and performance from the grid. The next challenge is how do we solve the test complexity for multi-string PV inverters. Again, bidirectional battery and PV plus storage inverter testing is important. And verifying smart inverter grid support function is also very, very important. Keysight Technologies, which is the world's largest electronic test and measurement company, we provide all the electronic test and measurement solution. So we provide certain solutions like distributed solar array simulators. We also provide high volume regenerative batteries. We also provide regenerative grid simulators, which will help in solving these problems which are tied with the grid part of it. And with these proper solutions, if we are able to test the different elements of the grid properly, the customers will be able to get the lower cost, and they will be able to take the solution faster to the market with the increased performance. Next thing is we need to talk about the charging infrastructure. Now, as per some market estimates, by 2025, we'll be having 20 million charging stations across the world. And again, I have mentioned earlier that these charging stations, they will not be following the homogeneous standard, they'll be following heterogeneous standard. So the ideal world will not exist. And for this purpose, we need to do the different type of proper testing so that charging stations can work with different standards, can work with all the vehicles. So we need to do the testing from electrical vehicle supply equipment side as well as from the electrical vehicle interface side. And you can see in these three blocks, we are providing the different test solution for electrical vehicle side as well as electrical vehicle supply equipment side. And there is very interesting aspect which I have mentioned in the last slide, last block, which is man in the middle test. So man in the middle test means that charging station, charging infrastructure and the electrical vehicle, they need to communicate with each other following the proper safety standards, and we need to test all these aspects that these safety standards are followed in a religious way, and there is no improper interface is there between the two things, or there is no other major challenge. And then this really provides the benefits to the providers in terms of fully integrated test solution, allowing automation of all the conformance test cases. Now let's come from the infrastructure side to the battery side, which is the most critical element, or which is the pivotal element of this entire electrical vehicle thing. So whenever you are working in manufacturing of battery packs, you need to do all the testing, as well as you need to ensure that all the parameters are set in a right way, right from the cell chemistry, moving up to battery cell, then you have to move up to battery module, and then finally you have to move up to battery pack. So all these things, you need to test properly for the capacity, you need to check for efficiency, and then there is a lot of big data management involved. So all those tests have to be done very, very properly, following the proper standards. And from Keysight perspective, we provide total scalable solution which can test the batteries right from 5 kilowatt up to 200 kilowatt. And this all comes with a software which automates the complete setup. So till now, we have discussed about the energy infrastructure challenges, we have discussed about the charging infrastructure challenges, and we have discussed about the battery testing challenges. And let's try to map all these things, entire ecosystem, into a single view graph, and then see how we can do a proper integration and proper testing of this entire EV ecosystem. So first of all, as I mentioned earlier, energy, grid, and charging infrastructure, they are based on heterogeneous standards, and hence they will pose multiple interoperability challenges. So what do Indian manufacturers need to do? So in order to stay strong in the game, the Indian car manufacturers and charging infra vendors, they need to support all these multiple standards. So for this, Keysight offers charging discovery system, which is a modular system, and different cards can support multiple standards. Next key point, India is transforming as a major research hub for battery technologies. This is major, so there is major focus on improving mileage, and also there is a major focus on having fast charging techniques. Keysight offers solutions right from the cell testing as to the battery energy storage testing for high power packs. Next, most important aspect of the chain is about monitoring the power strain inside the car. So this is very important, and the system should be able to sense and alert about the call about the cell health, cell characterization, battery heating, and other safety systems within a car. Our battery management system, it manages all these aspects and checks communication standard between the modules. So this is very, very important. And this view graph, you can see there are different elements of ecosystems have been shown, and then we have shown what are the different solutions which can help in smooth working and integration of all these elements. So this was my brief about the EV ecosystem. What are the key elements? What are the key challenges for that? Just a brief overview about Keysight Technologies. So we are, as I mentioned earlier, we are world's largest electronic test and measurement company. We started as Hewlett Packard 80 years ago, and then it was hived off in a pure play test and measurement company in 1999 as Agilent Technologies. And in 2014, we became purely electronic measurement focused company called Keysight Technologies. We are present in 150 locations across the world, and we are having 13,000 employees. Our revenue is close to 4 billion. We are having more than 4,000 products with R&D in more than 15 countries. And a brief overview about Keysight presence in India. We are having our presence in 6 locations. We are having more than 1,200 plus employees, and more than 50% of these employees are in R&D, and another 200 employees are part of sales and support infrastructure. We have been rated as a top company, top test and measurement company across the world, and in India also, at least since last 20 years. And these are some of the awards which we have got in last few years. With that, I'll stop here, and I hope you will find this information useful, and you can really plan your integration. You can really plan your manufacturing and production facilities by taking these points into consideration. Once again, before I close, please take very good care of your health. Thank you very much.